This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the comment section below.
Nissan Consult 3 Plus works on Windows 7, Vista and 8. This must be the 32-bit version. If you have Windows 10 or 11, then install Nissan Consult 3 Plus VMware version. First, make sure you have the correct Windows version. Click on the round Windows icon in the bottom left corner. Select Control Panel and System. In the System Type field, you can read whether your Windows is the 32-bit version. Now check that you have installed all Windows updates. Go back to the Control Panel and press Windows Update. Select Check for Updates. If Windows finds updates that need to be installed, then press Install Updates. Restart the computer and search for new updates again. Do this until all updates have been installed. Find the free program WinRAR Lab on Google and install it. Now extract the downloaded file Nissan Consult 3 Plus. Enter this password, www.tools4car.co.uk. Open the extracted folder. Then open the first folder v71.11.00. Select Setup and install the program. Do exactly the same for the other 3 folders. If you have reached this point, congratulations, you have just installed the program.